Welcome back to Electron Devices and Circuits video lecture series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the topic transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance. At the end of the video, you will be able to understand what is meant by transition capacitance and diffusion capacitance. Let's go into the topic. So, transition capacitance. So, as you already know that diode can be operated in two different types of biasing. One is forward biasing and next one is reverse biasing. Whatever may be the type of biasing, diode possesses capacitance effect. So, the capacitance that is existing in the diode under reverse bias condition is called as transition capacitance. So, this transition capacitance is represented by C suffix T. C for capacitance and T for transition capacitance. So, this capacitance can also be called as depletion region capacitance or space charge region capacitance or otherwise junction capacitance. So, let us see how this diode exhibits transition capacitance. So, this is the diode PN diode in which the reverse bias is given. Reverse bias in the sense P type is connected to negative terminal, N type is connected to positive terminal of a battery. So, as we know that some depletion region creations will be there. Under reverse bias, the depletion region width will get increases, you know. So, initially the dipole creations will be there, and as time goes on, the dipole creations increases with respect to reverse bias voltage. So, this W is considered to be the width of the depletion region, and J suffix N is the junction. This is the junction and this is the width of the depletion region, and this depletion region is acting as a dielectric or insulating medium. So, this is the dielectric, and on left side of this depletion region, we are having a P-type semiconductor that with positive majority charges and acting as a plate 1, and on the N side you are having N-type semiconductor with negative, that is electrons as majority charge carriers, that is acting as a plate 2. So, the two parallel plates separated by an insulating or dielectric medium in between, so it possesses capacitance. So, this is the capacitance existing under reverse bias supply. So, it is called transition capacitance. So, it is given by the formula CT equal to, you know the capacitance formula, epsilon into A by D, same epsilon into A by D, whereas D is the distance between the two plates. So, this is plate 1 and this is plate 2, and the distance between these two plates is represented by W. So, just I am replacing this D by W in the next equation. Whereas here A is the area of cross section of the plates that you know, and epsilon is the emissivity, that is a constant. So, from this what is the conclusion means, if we increase the reverse bias voltage, you know the width of the depletion region increases. If this W increases, what happens here? If this reverse voltage, if VR reverse voltage increases, we know that width of the depletion region increases. Here on the left side you are having transition capacitance. If width increases, what happens? These two are inversely proportional. So, the transition capacitance decreases. So, if VR increases, width increases. So, transition capacitance decreases. So, this is the meaning for transition capacitance. Keep it in mind, transition capacitance is the capacitance in the diode under reverse bias. So, next one is diffusion capacitance, or otherwise called storage capacitance. It is represented by C suffix D. D stands for diffusion. So, this is an opposite. So, this is the capacitance that existing in the diode under forward biased condition. Right. So, there is another definition for this. It is also called as rate of change of injected carriers with applied voltage. How the injected carriers is increasing with respect to voltage. So, this can also be called as diffusion capacitance. So, you know the formula, another formula for capacitance is CD is equal to Q by V. You know the formula. See, capacitance C is equal to Q divided by V. This formula you know. Q is the charges on the plate and V is the applied voltage. C is the capacitance effect. Since this capacitance is changing with respect to the voltage, we are representing that by dq by dv, rate of change of, that is change of charges with respect to change in voltage. And this is can also be written as tau into I by eta into Vt, where tau is the mean lifetime for holes, how long the holes can survive. So that is the mean lifetime. This is a constant, and eta is again a constant. For silicon it is equivalent to 2. So Vt is temperature equivalent of diode, that is again a constant. So these two are constant. This is also a constant. So we can write the expression as Cd is equal to, or Cd, since these are all constant, that can be brought into the proportionality constant, proportional. So Cd proportional to I. From this equation we can say if current increases, that means we are giving forward bias. So forward bias current increases, diffusion capacitance also increases. That is the conclusion here. If current increases, capacitance also increases. If our forward voltage increases, current increases. So current increases, diffusion capacitance increases. So this diffusion capacitance is of the order of nanofarad or to microfarad. It is very less. Microfarad to 10 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 9. Whereas transition capacitance is of the order of picofarad. So picofarad in the sense 10 to the power minus 12. Whereas nanofarad is 10 to the power minus 9. Microfarad is 10 to the power minus 6. Right? So by considering this one, so this capacitance is 10 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 9, whereas this is 10 power minus 12. So we can say diffusion capacitance is large compared to that of transition capacitance. This is the comparison between two capacitance. So diffusion capacitance is far more compared to that of the transition capacitance. So these are all the two capacitance in diode. So keep it in mind. Diffusion capacitance is capacitance in diode under forward bias condition. Transition capacitance is capacitance in diode under reverse bias condition. Thank you for watching.